Welcome to Milford How To. This is how to wire a 7-pin flat trailer socket quickly and easily. Remove the screws from the socket cover. Remove the socket cover. Remove the screws from the retaining clip, then remove the clip. Loosen the retaining screws on all pins, ensuring that they are not fully undone. This is how the wires will be attached. Number 1 is the left-hand indicator, the yellow wire. Number 2 is the reversing signal, the black wire. This pin is sometimes used as an auxiliary power supply for the trailer, as most trailers do not use a reversing signal. Number 3 is the earth return, the thick white wire. Number 4 is the right-hand indicator, the green wire. Number 5 is the service brakes, the blue wire. This pin is used as a signal wire for electronic brake controllers. Number 6 is the brake lights, the red wire. Number 7 is the tail lights, clearance and side markers, the brown wire. Number 8 is the reed switch earth return, the thin white wire. Number 9 is the reed switch signal wire, the thin black and white wire. Insert the exposed wire ends into the correct pins and secure with the retaining screws. Replace the retaining clip and screws to secure the wires into the socket. Replace the socket cover and secure in place with screws. Push the insulating cover over the end of the socket cover. Tape over the insulating cover and wires with black electrical tape to protect it from damage. You have now finished wiring a 7-pin flat socket.